Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'll be showing you how to refill an Epson L3252 printer.
Okay, I'm gonna be involved also. This is black, right guys? So the black one, just take off this cover. Then you can see this. You open this. Remember, this is black, then come yellow, magenta, and cyan, right? So this is a brand new printer. Let me see. I'll show you the box after. So but then when you open here, you see this head. If you don't have something like this, it's gonna be difficult for you to refill, right? Because this sits on here. You can see it sits in here like that. Once it sits in there, now the ink is going in. Let me show them. You can see it's getting up. It's getting up, it's getting up. And don't make it too full. It's getting up. You see this bar? That's where you're going to stop. Yes, it's in that bar. Now we're going to take it out. Okay, when we take it out, it still has some small ink, but let me finish it all. We don't want to over refill it, but this bottle, they made it to be for 1 tank. Okay, that is fine. There's a little bit remained here. What we do is seal it back. You might need this one day. Then we're gonna go to yellow. All these are new. It has this, so you need a scissor to cut it. Okay, after cutting it, you open, same story. You go to yellow. Even here it shows you. You can see the colors are here. Then you put it here. Yeah, it fits in. Can show them down here. Okay, in the meantime, it's gonna be filling. Then we gonna take out what they call magenta. Magenta is that color which looks like reddish. So this is magenta. So we're gonna use the scissor also but I didn't use the scissor this time. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Let's see here. It's full. So once it's full, take this out and cover it. You can see there's some small ink here, so you don't throw this. One day you will need them. Let's open magenta. Okay, oh, I'm sorry. Close this. Okay, it should fit. Okay, so magenta is refilling. Yes, in the meantime, cyan is that color which looks like bluish, right? You might do this also. So I'm waiting. So that is full. Okay, but we still have some little ink. Close that guy. We go to cyan. Then we open. is the machine, and being brand new, so we just took it out of the box. So they gave us two black. You can see this, yeah, two black. You can see we're not going to use this black. The first black was a spare black. They gave us spare black because black is used much. That's why they gave us two. So I think we're going to be done very soon. Okay, this one is also done. Close it, and what you do, you cover this. Make sure these are closed. You cover here. You can see everything is full. Then what you got to do is to on the machine. You can see we on the machine. Okay. Then we're going to make a copy. Yes. As you can see the copy, yeah, beautiful. And in most cases you put it this side. Okay, you can see it shows you F4. So close that. It shows this. You can see this. The yellow light, it indicates that there is no paper. So there's no ink. That's what it says. But in most cases, it just will be paper, ink and paper, right? So what we're gonna do, we have to put papers here. We see what it's gonna tell us.
All right.
Papers. We need papers. Okay. Yes, papers are in now. Still we see this, but okay, that's fine. Because it's new, it might need to use a computer to install it, to ink, to flash the ink and all that settings. So let me try to say, I'm gonna switch it off. Yeah, you see she brought the installation CD. We can put this CD in the computer, then we install. You can see that once we install, sometimes Windows comes with Windows installs this machine, but the best thing about the CD also is that software for service, whereby you want to clean the heads and all that is here. See what's going to happen. You see, I just restarted the PC, but still we have this issue, right? So this is not something we have to deal with now, but the printer is going to work. We're going to do maybe another video to show how this can be taken out. But okay, connect it to the PC, install your software, try to play with the software. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Yes.